friends, welcome to today's how-to. Today we're going to be learning how to draw Eggman from Sonic for beginners. And don't forget to pause the video to follow along at your own pace. So first let's frame in the nose right in the center. We're going to start by drawing in an arch line in the middle. Now to the left of this, from this corner, we're going to curve this around, tucking this over and through to the center. Let's step across on the right, doing the exact same thing, joining that together in the middle. Let's draw the mustache here. So on the left-hand side, we're going to curve this line out, up, and over on a diagonal. And then we'll do the exact same thing over on the right. Starting back on that line now, on the top, we're just going to curve this around and down to the bottom. Let's move down on this line, continuing to curve this over and across to the side. Now from that point, let's continue to pull this back in and down. Again, let's curve this over and through on the side. Now back on that line, continuing to curve this down to the bottom. From that point, we're going to pull that further into the middle. Now from here, let's arch this line down, tucking that up and over. And then one last time, just continuing to pull this down, tucking that in to the side of the nose. Now let's frame it around the eyes, the frown line here. So from the center, stepping over on the left, we're going to curve this down, up and across. Lining that up at the same height on the right, we'll replicate that. Let's draw a curved line on the inside for the glasses. So we're just going to curve that down to the nose. And then starting on the top line here, just rounding that out on the side, tucking that down. Now let's add in some frown lines here. So we're just going to curve this up and over on each side, lining that up at the same height. Now let's come up on a diagonal from that. We're going to curve this line up to the center. We're going to leave a gap on the right, replicating that. Now on each side, we're just going to draw in a straight line that comes up. We'll close that off with another curved line. Let's step up again, leaving a small gap, curving that line over. Let's flatten that out on each side. Again, let's close that off with another curved line on the bottom. And then on the top, we're just going to again curve that around and down on the side. Now from the inside here, we're going to curve that through to the top. Closing that off. Now from the center of each side, we're just going to draw in a straight line that comes down. We'll do the exact same thing on the right. Let's connect this on the top with a curved line from edge to edge. We'll do the exact same thing as we come down on the left and right. Now moving through to the top, we're just going to continue to curve that in. And then again, one more time, connecting that right in the center. Now from the middle, stepping over, let's draw in two straight lines coming up. And then on each side, we're just going to draw in a small diagonal line. Let's close off the bottom of the head here. So imagine that this line falls through underneath. We're just going to bring this down, flattening that out for the chin, tucking that into the center. We'll replicate that on the right as well. Now for the mouth, stepping up underneath the mustache, curving that over and into the center. And then again, just replicating that on the right, blending that in the middle. Now on the side from the top, we're gonna curve this line in on each side, and we're just gonna end that at the same height. Now from that point in the middle, we're gonna curve this line across. And then we'll just color in this open space black. Now right in the center, we're just gonna curve this line into the nose, replicating that on the right as we pull that out. Let's draw in a straight line on each side. And then stepping in again, let's replicate that to frame in the teeth. Let's just add in some of the highlight lines for the glasses here. So on the top, we're going to draw a diagonal line. We're going to drop down, replicating that. Again, dropping down one more time, drawing in another diagonal line. Let's move through to the right. So we're going to pull our diagonal line across to the mustache. We'll come up, leaving an even amount of space. And then we'll do that again one more time, leaving another gap. And that is it. That's how you draw Eggman from Sonic. You can pause the video and color it the way that I have done, or you can change your colors up if you'd like. If you enjoyed today's video, please hit that thumbs up button and subscribe to the channel. Also drop a comment below suggesting any more characters that you'd love to learn to draw next. Thank you so much for joining me on today's tutorial, and I will see you all on the next one.